Here, discuss the continuity of f defined by f of x is equal to modulus of x minus 1 plus modulus of x minus 2 at the point 1 and 2. Okay. Yesterday, ilanti problem f of x is equal to mod x plus mod x minus 1. Discuss the continuity of that function at the point 0 and 1. We have already discussed it. Okay. Now, today this function is f of x is equal to modulus of x minus 1 plus modulus of x minus 2 at the point 1 and 2. Okay. Solution of first problem. So let it be equation problem number 1. This is problem number 2. Solution of problem number 1. Given function f of x is equal to modulus of x minus 1 plus modulus of x minus 2. Okay. Here consider the real number line. Let it be 1. This one is 2. Okay. This is real number line. ఇక్కడ ఈ పార్ట్ వచ్చేసి మనకు x is less than 1. Okay. This part is x is less than 1. Here x is equal to 1. Here x lies between 1 and 2. Okay. So 1 is less than, x is less than 2. Here x is equal to 2. Okay, here x is equal to 2. Here x greater than 2. Okay. Now we have to find the value of f if x is less than 1 and if x is equal to 1, if 1 is less than x is less than 2, if x is equal to 2, if x is greater than 2. Okay na? If x is less than 1, so x is less than 1 implies x minus 1 is less than 0. X minus 1 less than 0 aithe modulus of x minus 1 is equal to minus of x minus 1. Okay, that is equal to 1 minus x. Okay na? Okay. If x is less than 1, that implies x is less than 2. Okay. అంటే x వాల్యూ 1 కన్నా తక్కువ ఉంది అనుకున్నప్పుడు 2 కన్నా కూడా తక్కువే ఉంటుంది. సో we have x is less than 2. X is less than 2 implies x minus 2 is less than 0. That implies x minus 2 is less than 0 implies modulus of x minus 2 is equal to minus of x minus 2. That is equal to 2 minus x. Okay na? Therefore f of x is equal to f of x is equal to here mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 2. Okay na? So mod x minus 1 is equal to 1 minus x. So we can write 1 minus x plus mod x minus 2. Mod x minus 2 is equal to 2 minus x. Okay, that is equal to here 1 plus 2 is 3 minus 2 is 3 minus 2 is. Okay, this is f of x if x is less than 1. Okay, now at x is equal to 1. Okay, f of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 2. Okay, so that is equal to 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. So f of x is equal to 1 if x is equal to 1. Okay, now if x lies between 1 and 2, okay, if 1 is less than x is less than 2, okay, here take 1 is less than x, that implies x is greater than 1. Okay, that implies x minus 1 is greater than 0. That implies modulus of x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1. Ante kada, if x is greater than 0, mod x is equal to x. Okay, now take x is less than 2. Now x is less than 2 implies x minus 2 is less than 0, implies x minus 2 less than 0 means modulus of x minus 2 is equal to minus of x minus 2, that is equal to 2 minus x. Okay, here x minus 2 is less than 0, so that we have mod of x minus 2 is equal to minus of x minus 2, that is equal to 2 minus x. Okay, now therefore f of x is equal to mod of x minus 1 అంటే ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు, x minus 1 అని రాసుకోవచ్చు. Plus modulus of x minus 2 is equal to 2 minus x. So minus x plus x cancel, we get 1. So if 1 is less than x is less than 2. Now at x is equal to 2, so f of 2 is equal to modulus of 2 minus 1 plus modulus of 2 minus 2. ఎందుకు మనకు తెలుసు f of x is equal to mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 2 అని x ప్లేస్ లో 2 రాస్తున్నాం అంతే ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా, సో దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. So therefore f of x is equal to 1 if x is equal to 2. Now we have x greater than 2. If x greater than 2, okay, x greater than 2 implies x minus 2 is greater than 0. That implies modulus of x minus 2 is equal to x minus 2. Okay, x is greater than 2 implies we can write x is greater than 1. అంతే కదా, x వాల్యూ 2 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంది అనుకున్నప్పుడు 1 కన్నా కూడా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో we have x greater than 1. That implies x minus 1 is greater than 0. That implies modulus of x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1. Okay, x minus 1. Okay, here x minus 1 is greater than 0 kabatti modulus of x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1. Therefore f of x is equal to mod of x minus 1 place lo x minus 1 rastam plus mod of x minus 2 place lo x minus 2 rastam. That is equal to 2x minus 3. Okay, if x greater than 2, okay, ఇక్కడ వచ్చినటువంటి f వాల్యూస్ ను ఫంక్షన్ f ను సమ్మరైజ్ చేద్దాం. ఓకేనా, సో therefore f is equal to or f of x is equal to చూడండి, if x is less than 1, f of x is equal to 3 minus 2x. f of x is equal to 3 minus 2x. If x is less than 1, okay, if x is equal to 1, if x is equal to 1, f of x is equal to 1. Okay, okay, if 1 is less than x is less than 2, f of x is 1. Next, at x is equal to 2, at x is equal to 2, f of x is equal to 1. f of x is equal to 1 if x is equal to 2. Next, if x is greater than 2, f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. If x is greater than 2. Okay, this is the function. Now examine the continuity of f at the points 1 and 2. Now at 1, at the point x is equal to 1, at x is equal to 1, left limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus x tends to 1 minus అంటే x is less than 1 అని x is less than 1 అయినప్పుడు f of x is equal to 3 minus 2x. That is equal to 3 minus 2 into 1. That is equal to 1. Okay. Now write limit. Limit x tends to 1 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus x tends to 1 plus అంటే అర్థం ఏమి x greater than 1 అని అర్థం x greater than 1 అయినప్పుడు f of x is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. Here left limit is 1, right limit is 1. Here we have left limit x limit of f of x as x tends to 1 minus is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. That is equal to 1. Therefore limit x tends to 1 f of x is equal to 1. Okay. Now f of 1 is equal to at x is equal to 1, f of x is 1. So we have f of 1 is equal to 1. Therefore we have limit x tends to 1, f of x is equal to f of 1. Okay, that implies f is continuous at x is equal to 1. F is continuous at x is equal to 1. Okay. Now at x is equal to 2. Here also left limit, right limit we have to find. Limit of f of x as x tends to 2 minus is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus. Limit x tends to 2 minus. Here x tends to 2 minus means x is less than 2. X is less than 2 అయినప్పుడు f of x is 1. Okay. So f of x is 1. That is equal to limit of 1. Limit of 1 as x tends to 2 minus is equal to 1. Here we have limit is 1. Now write limit. Limit x tends to 2 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus x tends to 2 plus means x is greater than 2. X is greater than 2 అయినప్పుడు x greater than 2 అయినప్పుడు f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Okay, x greater than 2 అయినప్పుడు f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. That is equal to 2 into 2 minus 3, that is equal to 1. Here left limit is 1. Okay, right limit is 1. So limit exists and equal to 1. Here limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x, that is equal to 1. Okay, so that implies limit x tends to 2 f of x is equal to 1. Okay, limit of f of x as x tends to 2 is equal to 1. Okay, now f of 2 is equal to okay, here at x is equal to 2, f of x is equal to 1. Okay na? So we have f of 2 is equal to 1. Okay, therefore limit x tends to 2, f of x is equal to f of 2. Okay, okay, finally we have limit of f of x as x tends to 2 is equal to f of 2. That implies f is continuous at x is equal to 2. Okay, this is the solution of our problem. Okay, any doubts?
No, sir.